Workplace violence. It's all over the news. By now, we've all seen the headlines about the disgruntled employee bringing a gun to work. But the real story is harassment in the workplace. In its various forms, harassment affects more people in the workplace than violence. Over 16 million workers each year. In fact, many of those highly publicized incidents of violence started with workplace harassment. Watch and see.
Don't have a girlfriend right
No,
now.
When we hear the word harassment, we immediately think of sexual harassment. But there are many other types of harassment as well. In general, harassment is any language or behavior that could be offensive or disturbing to someone. Anyone.
It's gonna take me another couple hours.
The subject of harassing remarks, gestures, or actions varies, but can include race, religion, national origin, age, sex, marital status, sexual orientation, or handicap. As you might guess, harassment and discrimination can be closely related. Wherever you find one, you may find the other. Remarks such as, "You can't teach an old dog new tricks," can be considered harassment. If this sort of attitude influences decisions regarding employment, such as hiring, raises, and promotions, then it's age discrimination. Racial slurs and ethnic jokes continue unfair stereotypes, which can give rise to discrimination. They single people out on the basis of race or national origin and can influence important decisions in the workplace. Some people try to dismiss things like verbal abuse and threatening behavior by saying it's part of the job or it comes with the territory. Others think that victims of harassment are just being too sensitive. But threats, verbal abuse, and other forms of harassment can create a hostile work environment. Even innocent jokes, gags, and horseplay can lead to hurt feelings, or physical injuries if things don't go as planned. When harassment goes unreported and uninvestigated, violence can be the final outcome. So we need to put a stop to harassment before things go too far. Let's start with the basics.